Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is on some brand new virgin hair that I am rocking right now. If you want to learn more about this hair, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload. Now let's jump right into the unboxing of this hair.
They still some savages. Porsche, no I don't crash it. Vintage on the seats, I show her off in traffic. We so good, you can smell it through the plastic. Ted DiBiase, Mr. Fantastic.
Alright you guys, so you saw how the hair came fresh out the box. I did make this into a wig. It is a top closure wig, and then I also have all the bundles installed into this unit. It did take all the bundles to get this nice full look. This is a very full look. If you don't want it this full, you really don't need all these bundles, but I definitely do like it full, so I am loving this look. The cap that I used was just a regular spandex cap. I will leave a link in the information box if you like to get this cap. I do get them off of Amazon or from my local beauty supply store. This is EULLAIR hair, and I am really happy with it. Like I said, this is basically just an unboxing video and like a first show and tell video. I have been wearing the hair for just like a day or two, and I really do like it. I'm really glad that I didn't decide to sew it in. I was thinking about sewing it in, but I'm glad that I have it as a wig, because then I can just pop it on and off very easily, and whenever I want to change, I can just, you know, use this hair. I didn't bleach the knots or anything, but I did use a little bit of baby hairs. This is actually my own baby hair here, and then this is the wig, and I just used a little bit of powder to just blend it in. And I also used some hairspray. I used my Indie Hair hairspray. This is my favorite hair, well, one of my top 2 favorite hairsprays. If you like this, if you want to try this out, there is a link in the information bar for this hairspray as well. So yeah, the hair hasn't tangled on me at all, but like I said, it is still fresh out the box. It hasn't tangled on me at all, and it definitely hasn't done any shedding. I did not cut my wefts. I just used the flip over method, and when I made this wig, I did just use my 30-second glue. Here it is. My Salon Pro 30-second glue. I always like to use this when I make my wigs now. I don't really sew my wigs anymore because it takes a lot of time, and I find that the glue is great. It works well. I can still wash and condition my units, and the glue doesn't like break down. You know, it's waterproof, so it's good, and the units, I just can make them a lot faster that way. So yeah, you guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. If you want to follow up and know how this hair is doing, then definitely comment down below. I will definitely get back to you guys if you want to know how this hair is holding up. If you're interested in grabbing this hair, I will leave it in the information box down below. There'll be a link to purchase. I'll also see if I can get a coupon code from them. If I do, it will be in the info box as well. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.